Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And creating a transparent watermark in CapCut is actually super simple and adds a professional touch to your edits. Here is a step-by-step guide based on the tutorial. Step 1. Creating the text foundation. Start a new project, open CapCut, select a green screen background. Now select the ratio, go to aspect ratio and choose 1:1. Zoom in on the screen, green screen, to fill the frame. Add your text. Type in a channel name or desired text which you want, and you can customize the font to match your style. Now, add a shadow to make the watermark pop. Go to Style, then Shadow, select Black and set the opacity to 100 and nothing else. Export. Save this clip in high quality to your gallery. Now, step 2. Applying the transparent watermark. Import your video. Open the video you want to add it. Add overlay. Tap on overlay, add overlay and select the green screen text you just created. Now go to splice and select the overlay option. Ensure the opacity is at 100%. Now remove the green screen. Select the overlay, go to remove background, then chroma key, pick the green color and adjust the intensity and shadow until the green disappear or up to 100. Now, final adjustments. Adjust the size and placement of the watermark as needed, as per you needed, and whatever you like. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share and comment below as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.